Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. I hope you are doing well and continuing your ERP learning journey with us. Today marks an important milestone because we have successfully completed our Finance, Accounting and Reporting module, which is known as FAR module. When we have started this module, our goal was simple, not just to teach ERP processes, but to help you understand how finance processes work in real organization and how they are managed through Lighthouse ERP. Throughout this module, we have covered a wide range of topics, starting from foundation processes like account definition and posting management, and then moving into practical transaction processes such as receivables, payments, general vouchers, tax management, and several advanced finance functions. We have also explored concepts related to budgeting, investment loans, insurance, payment planning, and other important financial controls that help organizations manage their operations effectively. If you have been following this module from the beginning, you have already built a strong understanding of how financial transactions are planned, recorded, controlled, and reported within an ERP system. And that's something to be proud of. One thing I would like you to remember that ERP is not about memorizing menus or screens. ERP is about understanding business processes, transaction flow, and all the logic behind every activity. If your concepts are clear, learning any ERP becomes much easier. I would also like to thank all of you for your comments, questions, and continuous support throughout this module. Your participations motivate us to keep creating more learning content. And now it's time for the next step in our ERP learning journey. In our upcoming module, we will begin exploring another important area of Lighthouse ERP, where we will understand new business processes, practical workflows, and real-world ERP operations in the same simple and beginner-friendly manner. So, stay connected, keep revising what you have already learned, and get ready for the next exciting phase of Lighthouse ERP learning. If you have found this module useful, do share with your colleagues, friends, and anyone interested in building a career in ERP. And if you haven't subscribed Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy yet, make sure you do it and join us on this learning path. Thank you for learning with us. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your ERP expertise. See you in the next module, guys. Take care.